Welcome to my channel. Brother Printer Setup using Brother Mobile Connect. Step 1. Download the Brother Mobile Connect app. Install the Brother Mobile Connect app from the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the app after installation. Step 2. Turn on your printer, plug in your Brother printer and press the power button. Make sure the printer is ready and shows no error lights. Step 3. Prepare your Wi-Fi network. Check that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your printer to use. Keep the Wi-Fi password ready. Step 4. Open the app, launch the Brother Mobile Connect app and tap Add Machine or set up a new printer to begin the setup process. Step 5. Connect the printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Brother printer. The app will search for nearby printers and guide you through the connection. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi details, select your home or office Wi-Fi network and enter the correct password. Wait while the printer connects to the wireless network. Step 7. Complete the setup. Once the printer connects successfully, the app will confirm that your Brother printer is ready to use. Step 8. Print a test page. Open a photo or document on your phone and print a test page to verify that the printer is working properly. Step 9. Enable helpful features. Use the Brother Mobile Connect app to check ink or toner levels, scan documents, copy, and monitor your printer's status. Step 10. Keep everything updated. Update the Brother Mobile Connect app and your printer's firmware regularly to improve performance, security, and compatibility. Thanks for watching.